Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Rajiv Pujala. In this video, let's take a look at the Excel formulas, search and find. So both of them, they sounds similar because whether you are searching or whether you're finding, basically it means that you are trying to find a text or trying to find a number from a cell. But let's see what exactly the difference between search and find, and which are all the cases that you should be using search, and which are all the cases that you should be using the find. Let's deep dive into the Excel spreadsheet, and let's take a look at search first. So let's assume I have a data, a text. Okay, I have data like apple, orange. Okay, I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number, and I have dog, cat, dog, all that, and hello world, etc. Okay, let's beautify. Let's do beautification to this one. Okay, over here. So now let's say that I would like to find a word based on the column here. For example, find text. Find text. Okay, let's see. For example, here I would like to find orange, and I would like to find 789. I would like to see dog. For example, let's say I would like to find universe. Okay, here. Okay, so now for example here, what we are going to do. So when we use the search function, so basically, it searches for the specific text in this main text, and if the value is matching, then it returns the index of that one. For example, orange. So where exactly? So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 8th onwards, this orange word is there. So basically, this search function it returns the index of that value. So for example, let's see, is equal to search of find text. Um, so this is the text, find text, and which one within this one, and let's do this one over there. So whichever it is matching, so it is showing, it returns the value, and wherever it is not matching, it returns the value, hash value. So I mean here, whenever you look at this hash value error handling concepts, basically try to recall those error handling concepts which I explained already. So try to use the functions like if error. Okay, let's do this one. Not found something. If in case if the value is not found, let's set it like not found. So this looks cool, right? And now let's say here it is capital O, whereas here it is small o in the orange. So for example, whether it is a capital orange, capital O, or like capital orange or small orange. So the search function, it always checks and it returns the index of that value. So one thing we have to note this note here, note search function works for both, considers all cases. Okay, now let's take a look at find function here. So for example, for the same text, if it is here, and if I would like to find this one, so now we can quickly use find is equal to find of this one, and within the text is of this one. Okay, let's do this. There it go. You can see the orange. So here the even the text is matching here, but the case is not matching. So that's the reason it has written the value as hash value. So the main difference is that text text considers casing. So for example, if instead of capital orange, if it is like smaller case orange, it returns the value like this one. So so keep this in your mind that whenever you use the text function, you have to case match the data, or else what you can do. So is equal to, let's keep one case, find of uppercase of upper of this one, comma upper of this one, like this. So then it returns the value. So you have to ensure that you have to use additional functions like upper or lower whenever you're using the find function to achieve 100% expected results. So for example here, it has returned the value dog 1 because it is starting over here. But if you would like to know the dog which is there at the end, what is the index of that? So here what you can do, comma, so there is something called the sort index is equal to find of text this one here this one. So the start number, so this is already there in the first, that's the reason it is returning that one. So for example, let's say the start number from 4. So basically what I'm telling to the Excel system is that, hey, I wanted you to look for the word dog in the text, but start from 4, I mean like from cat. From here onwards you start looking for the one. Now let's see, it returns the value 1, 11, because this dog, it starts from 11. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you a happy good learning.